Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com and today we're in the tech room. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best solid-state drives. Having a solid-state drive or SSD is becoming more of a need than a want in today's technological world. Unlike having your hard drive as the main source of storage, the startup, transfer, and loading times will only take mere seconds instead of more than a couple of minutes. If you spend a lot of time in front of your computer, then you understand exactly what we're talking about. Let's get down to business, shall we? Here are the best ones you can get your hands on today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the tech room, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth solid-state drive on our list is the Crucial P3, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The Crucial P3 has a capacity of 2 terabytes while using the PCIe Gen 3 technology. Featuring Micron Advanced 176-layer 3D NAND technology, it ensures sequential read speeds of 3,500 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 3,000 megabytes per second. That being said, this drive is designed for the quick loading of the most demanding software applications, large project files, and most complex and modern games to date. On top of that, the Crucial P3 also has advanced features such as dynamic write acceleration, error correction code, trim support, and self-monitoring and reporting technology. All these are designed to ensure data integrity as well as high performance. Thanks to the drive's 1.5 million hour MTTF rating, you'll be able to experience maximum longevity with the P3. Now, in terms of the options available, aside from its 2 terabyte model, Crucial also offers a 500 gigabyte, a 1 terabyte, and a 2 terabyte model. However, our team needs to point out that since the drive only uses PCIe Gen 3 technology, its performance won't be on par with the current Gen 4 models. As a Gen 3 model, it does deliver excellent performance nonetheless, hence its 5-star rating. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals who are planning to set up a budget-built PC without wanting to compromise storage space and transfer speeds. The fourth solid-state drive on our list is the WD Black 2TB SN850X, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. This terabyte hard drive by WD offers high data transfer speeds of up to 7,300 megabytes per second, which is a great advantage if you're into gaming. This translates to high performance and extremely short load times, which allows you to get into the action instantly. On top of that, protective loading, overhead balancing, and adaptive thermal management all come together to power up your gaming experience when Game Mode 2.0 is turned on. It is also worth noting that the output nearing the PCIe Gen 4 interface limits assists you in getting the most out of your system and components. Upon testing, our team especially liked how it supports Microsoft's Direct Storage technology, a new software that allows games to take advantage of the fast NVMe SSDs. Not only does this reduce load times, but it also ensures compatibility with new games since better hardware is needed to run the newest titles. Aside from its 2 terabyte variant, it comes in 3 other storage variants: 500 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, and 4 terabyte. Now, one small gripe our team has is that the SSD runs a bit hot, so we recommend giving your PC case proper airflow for optimum cooling. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for competitive gamers who need quick loading times as they play AAA titles. The third solid-state drive on our list is the Kingston KC3000, which Trusted Shopping Guide team has awarded a 4-badge rating. With its 1 terabyte capacity, cutting-edge Gen 4 into NVMe controller, and 3D TLC NAND flash memory, the Kingston KC3000 gives you performance like you've never seen before. Equipped with PCIe 4.0 NVMe, it ensures lightning-fast transfer speeds for quick startup and loading times. With speeds of up to 7,000 megabytes per second, this in turn ensures remarkable endurance and stability while being able to improve your workflow on the most high-end desktops and laptops. Featuring a low-profile graphene aluminum heat spreader, this SSD will also keep temperature levels balanced and to a minimum as it works under heavy load. In terms of the models available, do note that aside from this 1 terabyte model, Kingston also offers a 512 gigabyte, 2 terabyte, and 4 terabyte models. Just in case of technical failure, always be sure to back up your drive since this can happen from time to time. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals who spend a lot of time working from home and are utilizing heavy PC software applications. options. The second solid-state drive on our list is the SK hynix Platinum P41, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The SK hynix Platinum P41 delivers top-tier performance with read speeds of up to 7,000 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 6,500 megabytes per second. This is all made possible thanks to its proprietary SK hynix HyperWrite cache technology. What's more, the drive is built with pioneering power efficiency that keeps your system running smoother than ever. It is also worth noting that the P41 allows for the effortless installation on multiple devices and is backward compatible with any PCIe 3.0 system. However, it performs at half of the read and write speeds. Developed with innovative technologies, the driver features a cell interlayer high reduction, which backs up its 176-layer NAND flash memory. On another note, for maximum reliability, the manufacturer went the extra mile by putting the drive through rigorous 1,000-hour stress tests in order to prove its remarkable 1,200 terabytes written rating. This drive can also be used with the customized SK hynix edition of Macrium, cloning software for data transfers as well as OS migration, along with the Easy Kit software, which allows you to check the performance and status of the SSD at a glance. Finally, in terms of models available, the drive is also offered in 500GB and 1TB units. Now, one minor limitation that our team noticed is that unlike the competition, the P41 does not offer a 4TB model, so the storage capacity is going to be limited. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for most high-end gamers aiming to do a bit of future-proofing. The best solid-state drive on our list is the SABRENT Rocket 4+G, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. To sustain high levels of performance through extended gaming sessions, look no further than SABRENT Rocket 4+G. This SSD is designed for the Direct Storage API, which allows it to run the newest games while reducing CPU overhead and input-outlet latency. It also features state-of-the-art O2 Go firmware that enables you to access the fastest storage. The said firmware is further enhanced with the use of select hardware, while the driver's performance is boosted by an accelerated 1600 mega transfers per second 3D TLC NAND flash, which is managed by an improved multi-core NVMe controller. All that being said, it delivers up to 7 GB per second of transfer speed with a high response time. Aside from providing you with storage space, you'll also be able to game and create content simultaneously with no hassle. In terms of storage capacity, you'll get to choose between a 1TB and a 4TB model. Now, while we find this drive a bit more expensive than most, its remarkable features definitely justify its price. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals who require a powerful all-around solid-state drive, as the Rocket 4+G delivers remarkable data transfer speeds, whether it be gaming, office work, or content creation. And there you have it, folks, our best solid-state drives, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next solid-state drive roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.